Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Monday, May 16th. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar. We have to look at Saturday's card. We didn't see what was on that one. As we look at this, oh my, Tad has been doing some jumping. Tad is now on the number 46, and he goes down 3. He's on 46 and he goes down 3. So if we look at that, let's pull up our book, which we know is our Number Corner book. It has blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. We're turning this book to page 63. Please pause the video now if you need to get this book. Come back and we'll continue with you. Now that we have page 63, we are going to go to our page that has Tad doing all kinds of interesting things. Let's find out. Now, we just found out that Tad was on the number 46, which was the number we came up with on Friday when we were together last. And then we found out that he went down 3. He went down 3. Interesting. So if Tad goes down 3, we have to say, wait a minute, Tad, what are you doing this week? He's on 46, and he goes down 3. So we've been talking about that this day, how we can go down when we add 10. We've moved down 1. We add 20. We've moved down 2. And then when we add 10 more, we've gone down 3. So let's do this. 46, if we go down 10, that's at number 56, which we've already filled in from another day. And if we're on 56 and we go down 10, it's 66. So if we're at 66 and we go down another 10, because he went down 3 times 10. So we go down 1 more. He lands on the number 76. 76 is our number for Saturday. That was just Saturday's number. We still have to find out what he's done to make it to today's number. So that was Saturday's number. And now we're going to go to Sunday. What did Tad do on Sunday? He's on 76. Uh-oh, he went down 1 and to the right 1. Let's see if we can do that. Tad is on 76. He goes down 1. So we added 10. So if we go down 1, it's 86. And then he went to the right 1. That means he went up 1 more. What is 86 plus 1? What is 86 plus 1? 87. Please make sure you have filled in the number 87. So the 2 numbers we have filled in so far have been the numbers 76. And now, you can't see it, 87. 87. 87 is the last number that we have filled in on this. And I'm clearing this because we have to get ready for today's number. I know this is a lot of work on Mondays when we fill in for the weekend, but it's definitely worth it. Look how many numbers we filled in. Today is the 16th of May, and look how many numbers we filled in. Quite a few numbers. So we made it to the number 87. That's our last number we filled in. Let's find out what today's card says. We're on 87, but we move from the number 87, and Tad is way up here. Wait a minute. So it looks like he went up 2 and to the left 2. So if he went up 2, are we adding or subtracting? Good job if you said subtracting. We're subtracting 10, 20, 21, 22. Whoa, we're subtracting a total of 22. So let's do this. We know he went up 20. So we are going to go up 10, 20. Oh, that puts us at 67. Don't color that in. And then he moved over to the left too. So he jumped back. 66, 65. Oh my goodness, he landed on the number 65. 65 is the number we color in for the day. 65. 65. 65 is that number for the day. Amazing. Amazing. So we colored in a few numbers for the day. We colored in quite a few. We can do it. We can do it. Make sure your book has these numbers that you see on the screen colored in. And then we still have one more job to do. We have to go to our days in school. And with our days in school, we are going to add another day that we've been in, which now makes, oh my goodness, 157 days. 157 days. 157 days. 157, 157, 100 plus 50 plus 7. Then we have 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 7. Can you think of a math fact that equals 157? Please write it down. It's a great way to practice those facts. Then we have 100 plus 50 plus, oh, we have to add another penny here to make 7 cents. Great job today, All-Stars. We're going to continue to grow stronger in our math facts as we continue to do different activities. Very proud of you. Keep up the great work.